Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're just gonna do a quickie on this Garrett T04E housing. I'll do a kind of a before and after. So I've just roughed it in now to fit the new wheel. This is a 59mm wheel, and I've got the profile just about perfect. Now I just have to set it in about a 1/16 of an inch further into the housing. So it gives you an idea what the before turbo looks like. And then this is the billet piece for the T51R mod. I'm making a little more progress on the housing. The profile is just about perfect. So I set the depth correctly for this height here, and then I just have to turn out the clearance a little bit more for the compressor wheel. But it's now ready for the insert. You don't see that anyway. So I think that's where I'm going to leave it. That protrusion's just about right. I don't want to go in any deeper, and I'm sort of taking. So I'm just looking at this K27 for reference on how deep they have the surge groove, and we're gonna go with a little narrower groove than that. That's about 160 thou. I'm gonna go with 120. I think that should do it. So. Progress now. We've got the slug to go in here shortly to make the T51R, and then I got to finish the final diameter once the slug's in. But it's the profile is pretty nice. It's almost perfect. So, and there's the 59mm wheel. I've got the T51R slug pressed in there. So I'm just going to turn this out now and polish it. And then I'm going to weld on a 2-inch V-band clamp connector here. Well, we finished up the T51R and tested it for clearances, and this is the finished product. I'll bench test it with a vacuum cleaner and see what it sounds like. So that's it. Now I've got to weld an adapter on to fit a neck like this, so it's a quick change. This is the neck off of it, but I'm going to turn this on the lathe and then tidy this up so it's a V-band clamp. Well, we got the T51R finished, and I'm just bench testing it now with a vacuum. Okay, let's see. Alright, now I'm going to weld the neck on, and I'm going to copy this style here so I can just have a V-band clamp and disconnect. Well, I've got the neck welded back on, and I've got a heat sink in here to absorb some of the heat, but turned out really nice. So I'll let this cool down now, and then wash everything up, clean up this mess, and then reassemble the turbo, and then put it on the truck for testing. Well, there's the Garrett T04E finished. I've got the 59mm compressor wheel in there, new bearings, new thrust washer, essentially a total overhaul. And I also did the V-band clamp 2-inch, copied the Garrett. I copied the Borg Warner K27 outlet, so it now fits this. So I put the V-band clamp on there, V-band upgrade for maintenance purposes, so it makes it a lot easier. I just have to weld this up to the outlet tube now. But very happy with how it turned out. With any luck, it should last a long time now. I am also in the process of finding another Garrett turbine of this so it's all finished now, and very happy. Put it on the truck and see how it performs. So this upgrade was the 59mm compressor wheel up from a 56.5 for the stock T40E on the Silver Series Detroits. And also this inner ring here is the T51R mod, which I've talked about in the past. So if I can get some time to take the truck off the road for a few hours, I can pull the other turbo and install this one and see how it does. I'll definitely make a video of it, and with any luck it works out really well, and my clearances are good. Well, there you have it, guys. That's the it was supposed to be a quick video, but it looks like it's not going to be. This is my first foray into machining housing, so if this is a success, I might do the 67 millimeter wheel on another housing and see how that works out. But anyway, again, thanks a lot for watching, subscribing and commenting, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.